As you can see, now we have the photographs and we have the KSS installation verification input sheet for the given prospect also ready. Let us look at another scenario. Now, I need to send these files to the right people. To do that, a good method would be to convert this into a zip file, because the Excel sheet by itself may not be large, but the attached photographs, especially if there are more than one hoods, then the number of photographs means that the size of the file will become much larger. What you need to do is you need to zip this file. To zip the file, click on the folder using the right key of your right button of your mouse or the keypad and compress to zip file. You will find that a zip file with the same name is created.